In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a 3D phone pop-out effect on Canva. This is a clean, eye-catching trick that makes your subject look like it's jumping out of a phone screen, perfect for thumbnails, ads, or social posts. I'll keep it simple and walk you through each move so you can follow along confidently. First, make sure your design is open in Canva and ready to work on. Use the canvas size that suits your project. What matters most here is having enough room to position the phone and your subject without feeling cramped. Next, head to Elements and search for a smartphone mockup. Terms like phone frame or a phone work well. Pick a phone that's actually a frame, not just a flat image, so it can hold a photo inside it. Drop it onto your canvas and resize or rotate if needed. Keep it large enough that your subject will be clear and readable at a glance. Now bring in your main subject image, the person or object you want to pop out of the screen. Place it over the phone and scale it so the part you want to pop extends past the top edge of the screen area. Faces, hands, or a product corner work great. Keep the subject roughly centered over the phone for a natural look. Duplicate that subject image so you have two copies. Drag one copy into the phone frame until it snaps inside and fills the screen area. This becomes the version that lives within the phone. Select the second copy and use Canva's background remover. Give it a moment to process, then use the refine tools to clean edges. Restore any important details that were removed and erase any leftover background. Crisp edges make the 3D effect much more convincing. Align the cutout image perfectly over the version inside the frame. Stack them so the background, removed copy sits on top. Zoom in and use small nudges to match features exactly eyes to eyes. Shoulders to shoulders, product edges to product edges. Finally, crop the bottom of the top cutout so it stops right at the phone's top edge, as if the subject is emerging from the screen. Aim for a tight crop that meets the bezel cleanly with no gaps or overlaps. If you see a sliver of background or misalignment, adjust the crop or nudge the layer until the seam looks seamless. That's it. Thanks for watching.